Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To begin with, the Kiwi dollar view I have is now looking for another recommendation. After recently selling the break of 72.75, the market nearly reached its expectation of 71 cents after recording a 71.33 low. With the recovery taking out the stop loss at 72.22 and locking in a small profit, I am looking now to sell the rally again towards 72.50.75. This will give an opportunity for the bears and look for a market to turn around and look back towards the downside of 71 cents and take profit or reassess from there. Technically, it's support for this outcome, and that's viewing that these patterns hold, that any rally should not sustain and give the opportunity to shorten this market. The Australian dollar yesterday attempted to rally after breaking above that 77 handle. However, striking a high of 77.30, the market retreated with a long tail doji and also weaker price action. Now looks for the move towards 76.45. A break beneath there will give further scope, with the next level holding at that handle at 75.90. It is viewed a break there will get the bearish momentum going towards a 74.80 objective. Fresh advances on the day unlikely to sustain towards that 30 resistance. Euro did break the trend of 106.20, with the dollar index breaking down further since the rejection of 101.70. With the index now at 100.50, I do hold the view now that we need a recovery in the US dollar in the next 24 hours. Otherwise, euro will rally on to challenge that 107.0515, which was recently contested back in early February. Above there would see resistance of 107.75, with a firm cap holding, as you see from the dailies, at 108.2050. Although we have a bullish indicator from the stochastic, the MACD hasn't fully confirmed. So as I mentioned, 24 hours is imperative to see the US dollar recovery. Otherwise, we will see further momentum in euro. Well, dollar yen once again retreats from that 115 region and now looks back towards that 112.50 level. It is viewed that the bulls will return from that region of 112.50 and look for a rebound back to 113 to 114, with the handle still holding around 115.5. However, a break beneath 112.50 would give further emphasis to the downside and look towards immediate target of 111.60, with a firm base holding beneath at 110.2050. I do believe the market should stage a recovery from 112.50, but we do need to play it very close if we go long from there, just in case the view is wrong and we do break lower. Sterling, well, since the rejection from that 123.80 level, has hardly traded. It's gone sideways. However, still holding to a short-term weakness coming through now. Could see a market turn back towards a 124.45 support, as seen as minor, with the level beneath still holding at 123.80. Now a break there will give further scope to the downside, and I'll be looking at 121 region as a potential target. And to wrap up with gold, well, no surprises. The market attempts towards that 12.38 and looking towards that 12.46 and rejects from near that region, and now coming back into trade at 36 this morning, 36, well actually 37. I do expect to see further weakness returning for the gold. Unless we see a break of 46, then I'm looking back towards the lower region of 12.18 as a potential target. Now a break above 12.46 would give further scope to the upside, but a cap should come in around 60.62. So that wraps up my intraday video. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report that will be released shortly.